Editing button actions in TouchChat HD. In TouchChat, you can edit button actions to take advantage of many features. These can include controlling features on the device, opening other apps, opening a website, or navigating to another page within the vocabulary. For this tutorial, we will be adding a navigation action to an existing button. Start by opening the page where your button is located. Next, select Menu from the top right and Edit Page. Select the button you would like to edit. Select Edit this button. Scroll down to the bottom of the menu. From here, you can add an action, or change the current action. Since we would like the school button to navigate to the school page, we are going to change the current action to navigate. Search for the page we would like to link to. And select the page. Be sure when you are finished to press Save. And then Done. Be sure to check your new button to make sure it works correctly.